Ready, go. I walk in the rainforest, all among the trees. I walk in the rainforest where I saw the bats and bees. Hares, butterflies, and toucans, monkeys and hummingbirds galore. Frogs, snakes, butterflies, birds on the rainforest floor. I walk in the rainforest, all among the trees. I walk in the rainforest where I saw the bats and bees. Hares, butterflies, and toucans, monkeys and hummingbirds galore. Frogs, snakes, butterflies, birds on the rainforest floor. Eli, stand up. Ready, go. Here is a tropical rainforest. Here is the rain that fills the river, which is home to the caiman that fights the jaguar, who stalks the peccaries, that eats the figs, which are dropped by the monkeys, that flee from the eagle, who hunts the sloth, that hangs from the tree, which holds the bromeliad, that shelters the frog, that bathes in the rain, that drizzles and pours, and may fall every day in this lush and wet world. Here is a tropical rainforest. Rain. It rains almost every day in the tropical rainforest. It is always warm and wet in the tropical rainforest.
River. The Amazon River is the largest river system in the world. It is 4,000 miles or 6,400 kilometers long. It's next to the rainforest.
Caiman. The caiman is like a crocodile. It eats fish, birds, reptiles, and small mammals like wild pigs.
Jaguars grow to between 120 and 30 pounds. They can run up to 40 miles per hour. They hunt at night.
Peccaries are mammals. They sleep at night under the roots of trees. They eat roots, fruits, grass, and small animals.
Snakes are pear-shaped fruits that grow on trees. They can be eaten fresh or dry. A pig is white. It is purple or brown. Monkeys. Spider monkeys sleep and hunt in groups. They eat nuts, fruits, bird eggs, and spiders. Howler monkeys are named for the sound they make. They can be heard up to 3 miles away. They eat leaves. Eagle. Harpy eagles are the heaviest and most powerful bird. They have a 7-foot wingspan. They fly up to 50 miles per hour.
Sloths. Sloths spend most of their lives in trees. They move very slowly. They can move 6 feet in 1 minute. trees. Emergent trees burst out of the canopy. Some emergent trees go more than 250 feet.
Bromelia. The bromelia plant grows on a tree limb. It can hold as much as 2 gallons of rainwater. Salamanders, tree frogs, and snails make their homes there. Yeah. Frogs. The red-eyed tree frog hunts moths. They sleep during the day and hunt at night. They get hunted by boa constrictors. Rain. Tropical rainforests are hot and wet. Between 80 and 200 inches of rain falls every year. Rainforest. People have lived in the rainforest for over 1,000 years. The rainforest is their home. Everything they need can be found in the rainforest. Rainforest has 4 layers. They are the emergent canopy, understories, and the forest floor. Most of the animals live in the canopy layer. In tropical rainforest, the temperature stays almost the same every day. It is summer all the time. Thousands of tiny animals live in the rainforest. Rainforest. The world's largest tropical rainforest is in the Amazon region of South America. Ready, go. There are layers in the forest, yes indeed, yes indeed. There are layers in the forest, yes indeed, yes indeed. The emergent canopy and the understory. There are layers in the forest, yes indeed, yes indeed. The forest floor is dim and dark and wet, dark and wet. The forest floor is dim and dark and wet, dark and wet. And the ants go marching by as the king is so still wise. The forest floor is dim and dark and wet, dark and wet. Hi, I'm Katie. This is my friend Lauren. This is my friend Carly. This is my friend Daniel. This is my friend Paul. This is my friend Nathan. This is my friend Dustin. This is my friend Stephanie. This is my friend Maria. This is my friend Jordan. This is my friend Nicholas. This is my friend Lindsay. This is my friend Orlando. This is my friend Melanie. This is my friend John. This is my friend Harrison. This is my friend Laura. This is my friend Adriana. 1, 2, 3. We hope you enjoyed our show.
We invite you now to take a walk through our rainforest. The children researched and found all the facts on their own. They labeled all of the animals in the rainforest. And with Mrs. Jurgensen and time in class, they worked on drawing everything. So they really did a super, super job.
I think
Great
we
job.
just worked on the javelin squad.
Right.
As a group.
That was as a group, right? The big animals, they divided the class in half. But other than that, you guys really did a super, super job.
First of all, every animal.
Take a walk through, everybody.
Good job, buddy.